Your car's engine works hard, it burns fuel to make power. All this work makes a lot of heat. If the engine gets too hot, bad things can happen. Metal parts can melt when they get too hot. Your engine can be badly damaged. You don't want that. That's why your car has a cooling system. The cooling system is like your car's personal cooling squad. It has a few important members: radiator. This is like a big metal fan at the front of your car. It helps to cool down the hot liquid. We'll talk about that next. Coolant. This is a special liquid that flows through the engine. It absorbs the heat and carries it away. Thermostat. This is like a valve that controls the flow of coolant. It makes sure the engine stays at just the right temperature. Water pump. This pump helps to circulate the coolant throughout the engine and radiator. Fan. This fan helps to pull air through the radiator to cool down the coolant even faster. Hoses. These are like the veins and arteries of the cooling system. They carry the coolant to and from different parts. The cooling system is a cycle, like a merry-go-round of coolness. Here's how it works. First, the coolant flows through the engine and absorbs the heat. Then, the hot coolant is pumped to the radiator. The radiator cools down the coolant with the help of the fan and the air flowing through it. Next, the cooled coolant is pumped back into the engine to absorb more heat. And the cycle continues, keeping your engine running at a safe temperature. Like any good team, your cooling system needs regular care. Check your coolant level regularly. Do this when the engine is cold. Look for any leaks in the hoses or connections. Flush and replace your coolant according to your car's maintenance schedule. If you hear strange noises or see the temperature gauge going up, visit a mechanic right away. Taking care of your cooling system keeps your engine happy, and a happy engine means more miles of fun driving for you.